Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we are going to talk about the office/garage project. So this has been 2 years in the making. I believe it's actually been more than 2 years. It's really 2 years of work, and then I took a bunch of time off to, start a new job and have a real life, besides taking time off and building this crazy garage project here. So this is going to be the new Quant office here. I've got built-in bookcases, as you can see, on both sides here. This is going to be awesome and amazing. I plan on leaving this open space that shotguns all the way through to the next room, which is going to be like an awesome man cave family room. I'm hoping when my daughter grows up, her friends will come out and we're going to have like the entertainment system set up with the SNES and the N64 and the Wii and the Switch and all the fun toys and things for kids to kind of hang out and a couch and kind of their own space-ish, but close to where I'm going to be actually working here. But this is the garage project. This is what I've been spending a crazy amount of time on after work. We finally got all the lights and we got the painting in. I don't know if you can see or not, but if you look at the floors in here, they are the green zip sheathing. The reason I have this is I'm going to vapor-proof this floor from the downstairs floor, and I still have some work to do, so you can see here, down here, we need to continue the zip sheathing across so it seals that off, and then I will tape all of that as well as everything else. And I'll show you guys here in a second. This is my cubby storage. So these crazy hole openings that you see here, these are going to have a nice fancy door or something go on it. But the reason I'm making this video real quick is just to show the layout of the garage here before we actually get all the carpet in. So tomorrow is Wednesday, August 16th. And it's like 100 degrees out the last few days. So I'm trying to get out here after work when it's like 100 degrees-ish, open up the both windows, and then get this all swept out and clean for the carpet to come in tomorrow. So I will make an update video showing you guys the carpet as we got it put in. I got like a Berber, I guess is what it's called. That's what I've been told. I don't know. It'll be a little bit thinner, so easier to roll chairs on and have an office in here. I am thinking the YouTube channel for the Quant channel here. So the Quant channel here will be something like this. I don't know on the exact angles. Maybe it'll be something like this with the bookcases in the background. So anyways, this is the project. This is what I've done. But let me just take you back inside of here real quick so you can see. These are just shotgun kind of hallways that go into these back depths here. I have the electrical ran here. I have Ethernet actually coming up in this ghetto bag over here. I have the Ethernet cable wrapped up, but it goes into the house. But I also think that I'm going to cover up all this insulation here so it doesn't get bumped and busted up. But that's all going to be awesome storage, just to keep holiday boxes, kids' toys, clothes, all that kind of out of the way. And then finally, let me just show you guys this room. So the back of the bookcases look like this. I'm planning on staining them maybe like a walnut color. Again, this room's actually quite large. It'll be an awesome family room. It's got outlets everywhere. More storage back here that we just saw a second ago. I don't know if you can see out my window. You cannot see, but there are actually cows out there in the field next door because I actually live out in the country, as I've mentioned. So as of now, I have no neighbors behind me but this farm, but that's about to change as a big, massive housing community is going over here. There's a big, ugly white sign out there that says houses coming soon. But anyways, this is the upstairs project, the garage project. It is coming along quite well. On this side, I believe in this room and the next one, we're going to be running air conditioners as well and have a mini split system all set up. The big unit's already downstairs behind this window that's behind the camera. I just have to cut holes through the walls, run a bunch of refrigerant lines and whatnot, and mount all these units, which just another task to do. So it's one reason I'm having someone actually just do the carpet. After 2 years, I'm tired, guys. This project has dragged on long enough. So anyways, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And as always, until next time.